just a little recap video of everything I just got done. Took off the stator cover, so the stator goes in here. This is the crankshaft, so as this spins it generates power with the stator. Up here in this little space is where the starter went. So the starter pokes through here, spins this gear. There's another one in here that will spin the crankshaft to get the pistons moving and get everything started. Other side over here, we got the clutch. This is where the clutch goes. Opposite side of the crankshaft right here. This gear appears for the transmission. This is where the final drive shaft is. And then what else I was able to do is I got the top of each cylinder head off. So we can see here the camshafts, timing belts, camshaft, valves, all that good stuff here. So kind of got everything laid out over here. This side is the front cylinder head, top of the front cylinder head, top of the rear cylinder head. We've got the starter, cover for the starter, and then this is the stator cover. This is the actual stator itself. All the nuts and bolts and everything here. So I'm going to try to keep everything as organized as possible, but yeah, we made some good progress. So I'm going to keep documenting these videos. I'm going to keep recording everything. One, it helps me kind of be able to backtrack and say, okay, you know, this went here, this went there, so on and so forth. But two, it's just a good learning experience to be able to look back and kind of just say, okay, this is kind of how everything works. You know, I'm definitely not a mechanic by any means, but I find this stuff very fascinating, and being able to take it apart and kind of see how everything works has always been something that I've been interested in anything. So I am, yeah, I'm loving this thing. So more videos to come, more work to be done, clearly, and until next time.